dance around the sun. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess mystery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
Good morning mga ka-adventure! Welcome back to our channel. And for today's vlog, nandito nga tayo sa Boracay. So, this vlog will feature the different beaches here in Boracay. The famous White Beach, Bolabog Beach, Ilig-Iligan Beach, Puka Beach, Tambisayan Beach, and other beaches here in Boracay. So, please watch this video para mayroon kang idea on what are the beaches here in Boracay that you can explore and visit if you will be here in Boracay. Okay, so please do like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo on our travel and camping adventure. Okay, so ito nga yung Station 1. So time check, 6 o'clock pa lang, kaya wala pa masyadong araw. At ito yung dulo ng station. Okay, so maglalakad tayo from Station 1, yung kahabaan ng White Beach.
Something's wrong. I waited up, wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering memories, Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me.
Okay, next dito tayo sa may grotto. So ito yung famous na grotto sa Boracay. Ang ganda ng sand. Ito ang linis. Ito po water. sobrang sister
Stars are bright, I
water
call you up
dito sa
just
White
to hear your voice. I'm loving
November 29.
nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice. Just as it
Beach nila dito lang. So, maraming ilang yan.
I was broken.
Wala pang din.
I hope this good is
So, ito yung famous nila. Diba?
all to see.
Medyo high pa.
Wipe my holy tears.
Buwan naman siya. Okay, so ito nga yung famous na bro.
Hide with me. Come on, hide. Hide with me. Hide with me. Hide with me. Sun's out, clouds are gone, but I'm still here with wounds on my feet. Where will
So here, station 1 pa din. Ito yung parang pinaka-port or island hopping. Ito yung activity center na station 1. So dito yung sumasakay pagpunta pa-sailing, sa mga water activities. So ito yung pinaka-port. Okay, ito na yung dulo ng station 1. At approaching station 2. Okay, so eto na yung station 2. Road train station. Ito, dito yung makikita marami ng establishment.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait,
This area. Station 2. Yan lang.
wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of love.
Ito yung beach dito sa station.
Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll
Okay. So, nandito tayo sa Henan Palm Beach Resort. Dito tayo nag-check-in. At pupunta tayong Station 3. Dito tayo maglalakad. Dito, Station 3. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Station 3. So, ito yung pinaka-Station 3. Start ng Station 3. So, dito din sumasakay yung mga party yacht at yung mga parasailing. So, ito yung Station 3. Dito rin din yung mga parasailing. So, parasailing. Ayan. So, mahaba nga yung White Beach. Ayun yung mga nagpa-party yacht. So, time check 4:30 pa lang. So, abangan natin mamaya yung sunset.
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke every
Okay, so malapit na tayo sa dulo na Station 3. Ito na yata yung Station Y.
can't seem to find
Ayan.
someone that
At tingnan natin yung bato doon. Sa dulo.
count to 10, then open up my
So,
eyes.
ito yung mga
If you're
party yacht.
gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay,
Maganda yung water ngayon.
baby, hold me tight.
Walang lumot.
Send me off with the words of a lullaby.
Maganda yung water. Dito, medyo may shell na yung sand. Parang high tide siya. Hindi
With the
yata
words
natin
of a
ano
lullaby.
yung high tide.
I've been
Pero
trying
okay din
to
natin.
make sense of
Fun.
it all.
Ang gandang picture.
Looking for signs in the stars. It's been riding in front of me this whole time. Can't believe I didn't see the light. Count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me
Okay,
tight.
so ito yung
Send me off
dulo.
the words of a lullaby.
At beautiful. At ito yung bato ba.
The words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. If I never see the light, I wouldn't care 'cause I'm so perfect right here. If I never see the light, I wouldn't care 'cause I'm so perfect right here. Count to
So sa dulo ng Station 3 nga lang to.
eyes.
Or Station 1.
You're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby.
Ito yung Secret Beach. Dito may mga lumot. So, eto nga siya. So, eto ang Malabunot Beach. Yan. So, bihira pumunta yung tourist dito. Usually, daungan lang siya ng mga bangka. Pero maganda naman yung sand at konti yung tourist na pumupunta dito. Yan. Ito ang Malabunot Beach. Okay, good afternoon mga ka-adventure. At nandito nga tayo sa Tambisaan Beach, Boracay. So isa to sa mga beach sa Boracay. Ang kagandahan dito, hindi to ganong crowded. Madali din itong puntahan. Sabihin mo lang dun sa e-trike or dun sa mga nagmumotor, dalhin ka sa Tambisaan Beach. So, ang maganda dito, hindi masyadong crowded. At maganda rin yung beach. So, white sand din siya, mapino. Yan. At maganda rin yung beach niya. Ayan. So, dito rin nag-start yung mga island hopping. So, yung mga bangka na nakikita nyo yan, yan yung mga ginagamit for island hopping. Ayan. So, may mga nag-island hopping doon at saka yung mga nag-snorkel. So, maganda rin puntahan to. Pag pumunta kayo sa Boracay, isa dito sa mga magandang beach na puntahan. Hindi masyadong crowded. Maganda, napakasilin nung place. So, ito yung Tambisaan Beach, Boracay. Okay, next up, nandito tayo sa Lubutan Bridge. Ito yung katabi ng mga mangroves. So, pag tinignan mo, ito yung pinaka beach nila. So, malapit dun sa mga mangroves. Okay. So, kuha lang tayo ng picture at video dito. Tapos punta tayo sa mga mangroves. Okay, next up, nandito tayo sa mga mangroves. So, ito yung mangroves area ng Boracay. Okay. So, isa to sa mga tourist attraction dito sa Boracay. Ayan. Protect Boracay, preserve the mangroves. Plant a tree today, Tanduay, roots for Boracay. Okay, good afternoon mga ka-adventure. At another beach yung pupuntahan natin. Nandito tayo sa ano ba to? Okay, nandito tayo sa Diniwid Beach. Welcome to Diniwid Beach. So, ito yung Diniwid Beach. Isa din itong puntahan ng mga tourist. Ayan. So, pwede ka mag-rent ng e-trike or pwede ka din mag-e-trike, nadaling ka doon. At ito yung Diniwid Beach. Yan, so ito yung Diniwid Beach. Yan, maganda rin dito. Konti lang yung tao na pumupunta. Or konti lang yung tourist na pumupunta dito. So, pag tinignan mo yung sand, white sand siya, medyo mabato at ma-shell din. So, hindi siya katulad ng white beach na pure sand. Dito, medyo may merong mga shell ng konti. Pero maganda. Ayan o. Yan ang Diniwid Beach. May mga bangka dito na naka-park. Ayan. So, ito yung Diniwid Beach. Okay, so, another beach. Ito yung Crimson Beach. So, ito exclusive lang to sa Crimson. So, ito yung hotel ng Crimson. Yan. At ito yung exclusive beach. So, hindi pwede dito island hopping, no? Hindi pwedeng island hopping. Pwede ka pumunta dito mag-day tour. Medyo challenge lang yung papunta. At maglalakad ka ng mga 10 to 15 minutes mula dun sa taas. Tapos pababa pataas yung pupuntahan. Pero maganda. Ito yung Crimson Beach. Ayan, so ito siya. Yan, white sand. Tapos marami ding shells. Parang puka. Then yung bato. Pero maganda. Okay, so next beach. Ito yung Punta Buanga Beach. So itong beach exclusive lang to sa Move-in Peak Resort and Spa. So para makapunta ka dito at makapag-check-in ka, dapat may dito ka mag-check-in sa kanila. Okay, so next beach, ito na yung Punta Buanga Beach, exclusive sa Move-in Peak Resort. So ito yung beach. Ayan. Ganda. White sand, mabato din siya. Ayan. Medyo may mga shells din siya. At maganda. So kuha muna tayo ng picture. So maganda nga dito sa Punta Buanga Beach. Mahirap nga lang siyang puntahan. Pero pwede mo siyang puntahan. Pwede kang magpasyal dito. Pero yung beach na to, exclusive lang to sa Crimson Beach. Ayan. Ito yung Crimson Beach. Maganda yung water. Maganda rin yung sun. Next beach, pupunta tayong Balinghay Beach. So ito yung daan papuntang Balinghay Beach. So medyo malapit lang siya dun sa Crystal ay sa Punta Buanga Beach kanina. So ito yung daan pababa. So medyo challenging lang. Maraming packet pababa na dadaanan. Yeah. Okay, so ito ang Balinghay Beach, tama? So itong Balinghay Beach, yan, so yung nakikita nyo dyan, tas maraming rock formation, yan. So sirin din dito, konti lang yung nagliligo. Maganda, mabato, maraming rock formation. Ayan dito. At ayan, Balinghay Beach. So medyo mabato, pero walang naliligo. Walang masyadong naliligo. Ayan. Okay, next beach na pupunta natin, Iligan Beach. So ito yung Iligan Beach. So isa to sa mga public beach dito sa Boracay. Dito siya sa right side. So ito ang Iligan Beach. So maganda rin siya. Marami ding tourist na pumupunta dito. Ayan. Ayan. So mula doon hanggang doon. So, maganda rin naman yung sand, white sand. Ayan. Maganda yung sand, white sand. So, ito ang Iligan Beach here in Boracay. Okay. Okay, so next up, puntahan muna natin yung sikat na Keyhole. So, sa katabi lang din ng Keyhole yung New Coast Beach at saka yung isang beach. Okay. Good afternoon mga adventure, time check 2:40 at nandito tayo sa Keyhole. So ito yung sikat na Keyhole. So pumuntahan muna natin ito kasi malapit lang tayo sa may Paradise Cove Beach at saka yung New Coast Beach. Ayun yung New Coast Beach tapos yung Paradise Beach. Pupuntahan natin yon. Ito muna yung Keyhole. So, hindi na siya pwedeng puntahan doon. Hanggang dito na lang yung pwede ka mag-picture. Ayan. So, ito yung Keyhole. Okay, another beach dito sa Boracay. Ito yung Paradise Cove Beach, malapit dun sa may Keyhole. Private property to. Ayan, pero pwede kang pumunta dito mula dun sa may Keyhole. So, ito yung Paradise Cove Beach. So, merong resort or hotel doon, yung Fairway. So, sa kanila tong beach na to. Sa beach na to, madaming parang seaweeds or halaman, dagat. Ayan. Okay, another beach. Nandito tayo sa Boracay New Coast. So, Boracay New Coast is a private beach. So, eto siya. Tingnan natin. So, eto yung daan. So, pwede ka lang magpa-picture dito. Pero hindi ka pwedeng maligo kasi exclusive to sa New Coast. Ayan. Okay, so next beach, ito yung Boracay New Coast. Ayan. Maganda rin dito. Para siyang white beach. At makikita mo nga lang dito yung Keyhole. Ayan. Okay, next beach, Puka Beach. So ito, pinuntahan na rin natin last time nung nag-island hopping tayo. Pero ito, pupunta natin through land tour. So, ito yung next beach na pupunta natin, Puka Beach, Boracay. Okay, so welcome to Puka Beach, Boracay. Ayan. So, ito, mapupuntahan nga to through island hopping. Ayan. So, ito yung Puka Beach pag nag-land tour ka. Ayan, sa harap nun yung Crocodile Island. Ayan. So, pag island hopping ka, doon yung baba mo.
Pero dito ganda mag-vlog sir, oh. Keep the picture.
Ayan. So, dito sa bungad, white sand pa. Yung Puka Beach doon pa. Ayun, dun sa part na yun. Okay, next beach na pupuntahan natin, ito na yung Bolabog Beach. So, ito yung may sign na I love Boracay. So, ayan, I love Boracay. Pero ito yung Bolabog Beach. So, ito yung kahabaan ng Bolabog Beach. Mula doon, ayan, hanggang doon, mahaba din itong Bolabog Beach dito sa Boracay. So, maraming naglalaro ng volleyball. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung Bolabog Beach. Ayan. So, ito yung buong Bolabog Beach. So, wala pa masyadong nag-kite. Okay. So, ito yung Bolabog Beach. Okay, so, pupunta tayo sa highest point ng Boracay. Ito yung Mount Luho View Deck. So, see Boracay from the highest in the island. Top view deck. Welcome to Mount Luho View Deck. So, nandito tayo sa Mount Luho View Deck. para makita natin yung Boracay. So magbabayad ka nga lang ng 120 yung entrance para makita mo yung Boracay sa taas. Ayan o, katulad yan. Ayan, pero akat pa tayo. Okay. So ito yung view deck ng Boracay. Okay, and that's our Boracay Beach Tour adventure for today. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video as well. And also don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para update kayo on our next family adventure. Alright, thank you mga ka-adventure. Bye-bye!
I wanted to know what it's like to drive down Sunset Boulevard with you. And I just want to take one more bite of everything and every avenue. Like cold drinks, summer nights. Let's get a little too drunk. Are you down? 'Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh. Yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to. I just wanna take one more sip. Drink it and I just can't get enough. Like the sun always crashing in, and the way you look at me, yeah, I think I'm falling in love. Sweet talk, sun-kissed skin. Let's just go all in. 'Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shine.